Assalamu alaikum everybody. Today we'll go for the next topic of multiplication. That will be multiplication of multiplication by two-digit number. In previous two videos we have done multiplication of any number. Multiplication of any number with single digit, and then we did multiplication of a number with double digit, two digits. Sorry, no, we did not did like that. We did single digit with carrying and without carrying. Okay, now today we'll start multiplication of any number, whether three digit or two digit. I will look at the question with two digit number. In previous two videos also we did multiplication only by one digit number. Today we'll do with two digit number. Okay, how to do that? Here, as it is two digits, we will be having two different steps. Okay, so I'll put an example problem. 35 we have to multiply by 23. 35 into 23. So first we'll put the place values in the questions also. Ones, tens, ones, tens. Okay, before we used to multiply only with ones, one digit. Today we are going to multiply with two digit. So place values again down here. Now writing the question. (35), 23, one below the other in their respective place values. Next, multiplication sign. Now, how we used to do the multiplication with single digit, we have to do like that only. Okay, first ones place will multiply with both the numbers. Then in this two digit we'll multiply the second digit with again two numbers. First simple multiplication, how we used to do in the two different videos, we'll do like this. First we'll multiply this 3 with both the numbers. Okay, we'll just ignore this for a while. So 3 5s are 15. So 15 here we are having. So again taking the carrying. So 1 will take carry, 5 will write down. Fine. Over. Next, 3 3s are 9. 9 is a single digit number, but here we are having 1 for carrying. So 9 plus 1 is 10. Now this 10, because there is no number again over here, it is empty here. So we'll write the 10 directly. 1 0. Okay. Now next number. Now 3 we already finished multiplying with both the numbers. Now we have to multiply 2 with again these two numbers. When we are going for second digit, when we are going to multiply the second digit, you will write the second digit's answer below this number. Okay. When we are writing it below, as we already finished this third से multiplication हो गया. अब third के place पे you will put an x. खाली छोड़ देना है. You can put an x or you can put a 0 also. You have to leave that place. That's why we can put 0 or we can put x. I'll put x and show you. Fine. So now 3 से multiplication हो गया तो 3 की ones place आप खाली छोड़ देना. Now we have to multiply this 2 with 5. Again 2 with 3. Now 2 5s are. I always tell the students, when you are going for second digit multiplication, first put an x and just give a small cross mark to all the carryings, because again when you are doing second step you will add that number also. Now see here, 2 5s are, again we are getting here 10, then we have to take carry here. This one carry again it will come here only above 1. Okay, this is over. This was this one carry we did with 3. ये 3 से करने का था, ये हो गया, इसको कट कर दो. ठीक है. Then we'll do with 2. Again you should write above 3 only. 2 5s are 10. 1 0. Now this is over. 2 3s are 6. Now 6 again we have to add 1. 6 plus 1. You should not add the old carrying. ये carry ये number का था 3 का, इसको add नहीं करना. So to remember that आप थोड़ा सा strike off कर दो. Fine. 2 3 are 6. 6 plus 1 will be 7. You will write 7 over here. Okay. Now we got these two numbers. ये कैसा नंबर हुआ? फिर 35 इंटू 25 हो तो 105, फिर नीचे 70 समथिंग. सो हियर वी विल डू एडिशन. रिमेंबर, मल्टीप्लीकेशन के साथ हमेशा एडिशन रहेगा. इन डिविजन प्रॉब्लम्स विद डिविजन यू विल गेट सब्ट्रैक्शन. ठीक है. Here multiplication, now we will add these two different answers. क्योंकि यहाँ पर अपन पहले 3 को दोनों नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करें, फिर 2 को दोनों नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करें. अब दोनों का आंसर ऐड करेंगे. Both the answers we will do total. 5 plus x is nothing but 5 plus 0. It will be 5 only. 0 plus 0, 0. 7 plus 1, 8. So your answer will be 805. Okay, in this problem we are doing nothing but we are dividing both the numbers in ones place in tens place with the same. पहले 3 को ones place को पहले 3 को पूरा multiply करना both the numbers से, then you will get this answer. Then you will multiply 2 with both the numbers, then you will get the both this answer. फिर दोनों के multiplication का answer plus करना. You should add. After you add, you will get your final answer. So here be very careful while doing the carrying work. We'll look into another example. (35 into 26) we already did. 42 into 31 I'll take. Fine. Now, same process, ones, tens, ones, tens. Leave more space for carrying because we are getting 2 carries. 42, 31, multiplication sign. Now, first multiplying 1 with 2, both the digits. 1 2s are 2, 1 4s are 4, over. First step is over. Now we have to multiply both these numbers with 3. So here first we'll put an x because we have to leave the place for 1. We'll put an x. Or you can put 0 also over there. Now we'll start multiplying with 3. 3 2s are 6. You'll write 6 over here. 6 इधर नहीं आना, ये ones की place छोड़ के आप start करना. 6. 3 4s are 12. Again 12. Now you have to add both these numbers. 2, 6 plus 4, 10. 10 means again carrying. 0 will come here. 1. When you are carrying here in addition, जब addition पे carry कर रहे हैं तो आप multiplication में नहीं जाना. ये ऊपर का हिस्सा था. Upper part will be for multiplication, lower part will be for addition. अब आपको addition में carry आया. You are getting this 10 for carrying in addition. तो आप ये 1 जो carry करेंगे वो यहीं पर addition के पास करना. ऊपर नहीं जाना. You should not go up. ये पार्ट अलग है, ये पार्ट अलग है. 2 different parts are there. अगर आपको multiplication में carry आ रहा है, you write it over here. You are getting addition, carrying in addition, you write over here only. Okay. Now 2 plus 1, 3. The next will be 1, 1 only. So your answer will be 1302. See, ones, tens, 100, 1000. ये ऊपर का अलग रहता, ones, tens, नीचे का अलग रहता. Fine, because we are doing multiplication. Shall we look into one more example? One last we will do. Okay. Let's take 15 into 32. 15 into 32. Ones, tens, ones, tens. In all the questions, remember we are multiplying 2 digit with 2 digit only. Okay. Now, put the place values. 1 5 32. Fine. Then multiplication sign. Now, let's go. 2 5s are multiplication with 2 to both the numbers. 2 5s are 10. This is multiplication. ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन के कैरी में आ रहा, तो हियर वी आर पुटिंग दिस 1. Okay, I'll put a small one only. Next, 2 ones are 2. Then 2 you have to add to this 1 plus 1. 2 plus 1, 3, you will get the answer. Now, over 2 we multiplied with both the numbers से 2 का multiplication हो गया. Now you will multiply with 3. So before doing that, first you put an x over here. Next step पे जाने से पहले हमेशा ones place पे x है ना, and you strike off this old carry a little bit. Now 3 5s are 3, we have to multiply with both. 3 5s are 15. Again carrying you are getting 5, you will write down, 1 you have to carry. 1 you will carry here only. 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करें तो अब इसका कैरी बाजू वाले प्लेस पे जाएगा, इसीलिए 1. नाउ 3 1s are 3. नाउ 3 अगेन यू हैव टू ऐड प्लस 1. ये तो हो गया, ये तो स्ट्राइक ऑफ हो गया. ये 2 का था वो अलग था, वी स्ट्राइक्ड ऑफ दैट. नाउ 3 यू विल ऐड विथ 1. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. So your answer will be here 4. Now हो गया. Both the digits 3 को 2 also we multiplied with 5, 3 also we multiplied with 15. Sorry. Now we have to add both these numbers. 0 0 or 0x 0 only. 5 plus 3 8. Then 4, only single digit is there 4, so we will write 4 only. So your answer will be 15 into 32, 480. Okay. Even if you are having any number in zeros, I'll give one example like that also. Let's take 25 into, maybe 40 will be a very large number. We'll take 30. Fine. 25 into 30. Ones, tens, ones, tens, tens, ones. Writing the question, 25 into 30. Multiplication. When we are multiplying with 0, any number multiplied by 0, your answer will be 0 only in multiplication. So 0 5s are 0, 0 2s are 0. Over first step. Okay, any number either raho ya either raho, when 0 you are multiplying 0, same like that only we have to do with the answers of multiplication. 0 5s are 0, 0 2s are 0. First step is over. Now while going for next step, x first. Carrying is not there, no need of cutting or striking anything. 3 5s are 15. So 15, 1 will write down here, sorry, 5 will write down here, and 1 will be in carry. Then 3 2s are 6. 6 plus this 1. Now, so 3 5s are, 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, we will get 7, we'll write down over here. Now over both the digits we have multiplied with 25. Now we will add both the answers. 0 plus 0 or 0 plus 6 will be 0. 5 plus 0 will be again 5. And 7 directly because one digit only 750. So your answer 25 into 30 will be 750. Now I hope you all understood. Remember, whenever we are doing a 2-digit multiplication, the upper part will be for multiplication. ये ऊपर के हिस्से में आप सिर्फ टेबल्स पढ़ के मल्टीप्लाई करना. जब दोनों आंसर्स आ जाएंगे, बोथ द स्टेप, डिजिट 1 का भी मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो जाएगा, डिजिट 2 का भी मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो जाएगा. आफ्टर गेटिंग बोथ द आंसर, नीचे का हिस्सा एडिशन का रहेगा. फाइन. नाउ आफ्टर राइटिंग, आफ्टर एडिंग दिस, यू विल गेट योर फाइनल आंसर. डोंट फॉरगेट, जब भी मल्टीप्लाई करते वक्त अगर while reading the tables 2 digits आया और आपको कैरिंग की जरूरत पड़ी, as we did in previous videos, कि when you are carrying for multiplication, multiplication का carry यहाँ पर आएगा multiplication के part में. When you are doing addition, if addition is getting carry, addition का carry आप लेके जाके ऊपर नहीं लिखना. You should write addition carry in additions part. Okay, I hope you understood. Be careful while solving. All the questions in your worksheet will be like this only, 2-digit with 2-digit multiplication only. Thank you.